Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber Valentina, and I am going to be doing a review today of the Yummy Lao Wavy Extension Hair. So I'm just going to get right into it because I've watched a lot of videos where people talk for a very long time. And, I would kind of try to fast forward through all that and get to the stuff I really cared about. So here we go. I ordered the hair last week. Today is a Monday, so I ordered the hair on, I believe it was a Wednesday. I ordered two 18-inch bundles of the Lao Wavy hair, and then I ordered the 13 by 6 frontal. I ordered that the next day. So right after I ordered it, I received an email notification saying that they received my order, and that they were going to give me a FedEx shipping number. And I received the hair on Friday. So it only took about 3 days. When I did order it, because I plan on coloring the hair, not like a full color, but doing a balayage, I did put in the notes that I would like the lightest color, like, that you have. And I also said I wanted like a little bit more of a wave, just in case, it was available. And so, like I said, I got the two bundles on Friday. The frontal I got today on a Monday. So it took a little longer for the frontal, but I think it was because I ordered it, like I said, I think maybe it was Wednesday when I ordered the hair and I got it Friday. No, it was Tuesday. It was Tuesday, sorry. So anyway, when the hair came, it came through FedEx. It was in the FedEx bag. And then inside of the FedEx bag, it was like this. Probably a little neater. I put it back in here after I took it out. And just to show you what's in here, it comes with one of these cards, a thank you card. And on the back, it has a QR code, and you can scan it for hair care tips, which I did scan. And I did read it because I want to make sure I take care of the hair, because it is not cheap. It is an investment. So I want to make sure that I get as much lasting that I can out of this hair. And that's one thing I did realize when I was watching the other people's videos, is that a lot of people were doing like their 1-year review, 5-year reviews. And I was like, wow. So I'm glad I made the purchase. So this is what the bundles came in. One of these little bags. Yummy. It's really cute little bag. And all this other stuff I'm about to do, it's because I saw other people do it. It's not because I really know why I'm doing it. But so this is the hair. This is one of the bundles. This is the 18-inch. It's very soft. I was going to do this. It wasn't like I saw other people and was like, oh, let me run my fingers through it. It's very, very soft. Forgive how I look. I don't have makeup on. And I'm wearing this wig like a hat. But this hair is very soft, very, very soft. You can see it's shiny. I don't need to hold it up, but I mean, if you want me to, I can hold it up. It looks really great. It looks thick. The ends are really thick, which is something I saw other people looking at. But I do wear a lot of weaves and stuff, because I like to do stuff like this to my hair and have random blonde hair. I've been blonde for a while now. And I do realize that a lot of the times when I get hair, the ends are real scraggly. I don't know if scraggly is a word, but if it isn't, I just made it one. And these ends are really thick. So I thought that was really nice. And it is thick like all the way down. It's not like, it's really nice. It does smell good. This is something I saw other people doing. They're always smelling the hair. This hair actually smells like it's been washed with like like Tresemme or something. I know the smell of Tresemme, and I think that's Tresemme. But that's what it smells like. It doesn't have a weird smell. I saw some people were like, oh, it smells weird. I'm like, but it says even when you do the little thank you and you scan the QR, it says that they wash it before they send it to you. So I don't know what those people were smelling. But anyway, it smells like Tresemme. It's very, very soft, very, very shiny, very, very bouncy. I saw some people that were like, they had the same kind of hair, the Lao Wavy, and they were like, it doesn't have much of a wave, but I'm like, it's dry. So It may not have the wave now, but when it gets wet, it probably has a better or a different wave. It's just kind of, you can kind of see it here. I also saw this one girl's video, which I really appreciated, so I did it too, but I didn't do it on camera, so I apologize. But she weighed her hair, and it was 3.5 ounces. This hair is 3.5 ounces. I weighed it. And then she also had a measuring tape and measured from the end to the tip, holding it straight to see how long it was. And like I said, this is an 18-inch. I did the measurement also. And when I held it all the way down, it was 20 inches. So it's like 2 inches longer than, what I bought. But I'm assuming, which is most likely true, that the 18 inches is 18 inches when it's in its wavy state. So this is one bundle, and it was very smooth. There's like not flyaways. When I run my fingers through it, I can, and there's no hairs coming out. And I've been doing this for days now. So I've just been like, oh, it's so pretty. And every time I do it, I look to see if there's hair, and there is none. Also in the bag, people always were showing these too, so I'm gonna show mine. I don't think it matters though. But it's like a little card that says yummy. And then on the back, it just says 18 inches. It has a phone number, the website, and the email, and the Instagram. So this is the second bag. There was nothing in the hair either. There was a couple of like red strands, but clearly it was from the red bag. See, there's a red strand on there, right there. This hair, this other bundle is, oh, also, if you can see, it's not like a 1. It is a little bit lighter, so I think they actually honored my request. This hair is the same. Very pretty, very bouncy. I measured both and weighed both. They both were the same. Oh, this is the bundle, so you can see it's thick. But it's the same. I noticed that this one, though, had a little more flyaways than the other one. And it was like a couple times that I would run my fingers through it. It'd be like, eh. But then it was just like a simple like pull, and it would be fine. And no hair still comes out of this one either. They're very pretty. I'm very excited about this hair. And then, let me put these down somewhere. Then this is what the frontal came in. I just got this today. And I don't know what I was expecting. And I haven't really seen anyone have a frontal. So I was excited because I was like, I don't really know what to expect. But I had the same requests, a lighter color, as light as you can find, and for it to have a little deeper wave. Excuse me. And so this is the frontal. You can see that. I'm not a baby hair person, so I'm not going to be keeping that baby hair. I just can't. I look like baby Huey with a baby hair because I'm an old lady. But it's still very soft, very bouncy. It's a little, in my opinion, I'm not a hairstylist, so look. Ain't nobody paying. Look, you can see my bonnet. That's how I'm wearing my hair as a wig. Let me cover that. Anyway, I'm not a hairstylist, but it is like a little bit duller to me, and it has a lot of flyaways, but it's still pretty. And I was even looking at it like it didn't look like it was it's supposed to be 16 inches, the frontal, and I was like, that looks short for 16 inches, but I measured it and it is longer, way longer than 16. I think it was like 20, about 20 inches when you pulled it straight. The ends aren't as thick as the actual bundles, but I think it's going to be fine. It doesn't tangle and it wasn't shedding. I think I saw like one strand of hair, but it was like when I pulled it out of the bag, I like had my thumb like on a strand of hair. I don't know, but it wasn't shedding or nothing like that. So that's when it's open. That's the back. And then the front again. The lace, it's supposed to be HD, high def. So that is, and that's the hair. Oh, I just dropped all my hair on the floor. Yeah, so that is my unboxing. My first impression is that it's very beautiful hair. I'm very, very excited. I was researching like a madman to make sure I got really good quality hair for this investment because I plan on wearing the hair for a long time, and I wanted to make sure that I got something good that was going to last me and not try to kill me in the middle of the night. And I think that me and my yummy hair are going to be friends, and I think that it's going to last because I'm going to take extra care of it. It smelled good. The hair came very quickly. It is pricey, just so you know. If you want to buy like $200 hair, you probably could get one bundle. But, you know, it's worth it. It's an investment. So I'm going to make it worth every single penny. And what I was going to do is after I get it installed, I hate that, but after I get it installed, I'm going to post a video with the hair after it's been colored and installed, so you can see how it takes the coloring. All right, so that's it. I can't think of anything else to say, so I'm gonna go. Bye. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe, whatever that means. Okay, thanks. Bye.